2000, when Shenzhen met Super B, 25 years specialized in one-stop electronic components solutions. With direct partnerships across manufacturers, distributors, and stock in local source, we now empower the future through integrated PCBA manufacturing services. We provide PCB design, SMT assembly, BOM list service, testing device, time-efficient analysis and diagnostic substitution for our customers to achieve one-stop delivery, and supply services from PCB to PCBA finished product assembly. Our products are widely applied in industrial control, medical instruments, telecommunications, aerospace, automotive, military, and other fields, offering comprehensive supply guarantees for customers with diverse products, small to medium batch, and full process applications. We have a 5,000 square dust-free and anti-static production workshop, 7 medium to high-speed SMT production lines. The daily surface mount capacity can up to 15.32 million chips. We are equipped with internationally professional production and testing equipment, including the fully automatic visual solder paste printers, SPI 3D solder paste detector, high-speed and medium-speed motor, 12-zone lead-free dual-track reflow ovens, online AOI optical detector, 100% AOI optical detector, intelligent first article detector, BGA period X-ray detector. It's equipped with 2 deep inserts, 2 post-welding wire, 2 burning circuit test wires, and 1 selective 3-proof coating line. Equipped with 450 lead-free wave peak furnace, visual intelligent board separator, etc. to provide hardware support for product delivery. In terms of manufacturing capability, the components package range from 0201 to 57 mm. The maximum number of taps is 360, and the mounting accuracy is plus or minus 35 microns. Our expertise and experience. Your BOM list, PCB and PCBA requirements will be perfectly executed here. From component sourcing, PCB to PCBA, your best partner, Super B Automation.